If you ever find yourself lost outdoors, this little fire starting hack could be a lifesaver. It works with any size battery as long as it's fresh, and any gum wrapper that has a foil coating. Cut or tear a thin strip of the wrapper, fold it in half, and then cut out a small triangle at the fold. Touching the foil to the ends of the battery creates a short circuit that generates a lot of current. This causes the wrapper to heat up at the narrowest part, and it gets really hot enough to ignite a bit of pocket lint that I used as tinder to start my fire. Interested in more science survival?